page thoughts flood the room. Blueprints scatter like clouds in monsoon. LED glow, desk with a lead. Walls whisper secrets in a muted green. Book stacks taller than skyscraper dreams. Dust smokes dance in the sunlight streams. Chairs stick slow like time on the low. Every angle plotted, every vibe got a show. Study room sharp, ideas cut through the haze. Candle flame flicker, setting minds ablaze. Where the hustle meets the quiet, where the grind finds its way. This is where the genius stays. Shelves full of wisdom, spines worn and cracked. Knowledge like ammunition, every fact stacked. Words so soft they swallow with feet. Corner lamp pruning, low like beat. Poster on the wall, kingpin of the space. Clock ticks slow, no rush, no race. Mud stained circle on the oak wood finish. Brainstorm infinite thoughts never diminish. Windows blacked out, no peeking inside. Privacy's a throne where the thinker resides. Notebooks